Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your VIVO Y31 5G. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings and adjust our brightness. So we're going to go and scroll down to display and brightness. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that auto brightness is disabled. This is very important. And here, we can lower our brightness a little. So as you guys can see, now it is too low for the camera, so I'll put it like this. And what are we going to do next after adjusting the brightness and disabling adaptive brightness? We're going to download the screen dimming app. So we're going to go to Play Store, go to search, and search for the screen dimmer, and then we will have the OLED Saver option. We're going to go over and install the app made by Ruhex. It has almost 1 million downloads, so it's 100k plus. And as you guys can see, it's only 1.5 megabytes. So we're going to click open. And what are we going to do now is we're going to grant the permissions. The first one, to modify the system settings so it can change the brightness. The next one, whenever we update the overlay or just enable our keyboard. So we need to scroll down until we see downloaded apps and screen dimmer. We're going to enable it and click allow. Now we're going to leave. And the last one, the notification, so it can display a brightness bar. We're going to enable it, and as you guys can see, there's a massive difference. We can put it like this, and this is definitely dimmed out. Also, we got the brightness settings, so you can change the extra dim to either brighter or dimmer. And of course, we can change the minimum physical brightness, the change delay, and change duration. Also, we get a warning, so make sure that you use them at your own risk. And if you don't want to use the app anymore, we're just going to leave the settings, disable enable service. And we're going to change the brightness manually because that's all what we have to do. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go over as a last resort, check for software updates. So let's open up settings and scroll all the way down until you see system update. Here in the system update, make sure that it says already the latest system version. If it does not say that to you, make sure to update. It's very important to keep up with the latest versions of the software. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.